JK hood latches. Sorry, JL hood latches on JK without being an animal. See if I can get the light here. There used to be two little tits that went here and here. They're basically just the little alignment markers. Ignore the workbench. You can see where I just cut them off, filed them down a little bit flush. That's the gasket that comes off the stock JK ones. You take it, jack it on the little bit, and it just goes on. Easy peasy. Then this side is already on. See? It's on. Happy place. Top one. It goes on. I got these because I had another set and the wife wanted some. So because we're lame and have matching Jeeps, stock one, JL one. So if I can do this way, I did it on mine because mine has aftermarket fenders and it's easier to get to the nut for this. I can actually reach underneath and get to it and catch it and drop it 80 times and not want to kill myself. And only because I'm on tape can I not find the stud. There it is. Ah, come on, you little hooker. There it is. So you just tighten this down. Normally you got to take the front fender off, or not front fender, the front grill off. It's not hard, but I wanted to test fit these on mine, because if they fit, and I don't have to scratch up hers in the test fitting process, then, wrong way, I don't have to get yelled at, because this one's mine. Gap front and back's about the same. Doesn't need to be gorilla tight, but you know, tight. There you go. And then the top one, you take the little gasket from the top piece that used to go there. Pardon my butchered paint job, but this is like the third or fourth set of hood latches I've gone through and testing stuff. Little rubber gasket, trimmed, so the little T doesn't hang out the top. Everything's all nice and aligned. I'm pretty sure just about anybody can figure out what I'm doing up here, so I can't hold the camera and line it up. I will say, the test fit with the other side, with the Daystar rubber in stock latches, hood gap's not quite out perfect. And that ratchet wrench is going backwards. But the hood gap's not quite perfect. A little high in the front. And I've got an idea of how to solve that. But I wanted to get both on, so my gap was at least even while I was figuring it out. Oop, I got that one a little crooked. Like the stock ones, you got to kind of hold on to the latch while you're putting it on. Otherwise, it tends to try to go diagonal on the mount holes as you tighten. It's just one of those things that happens. But it's not the end of the world if it's not perfect. Snug that down. Snug that down. And now, top one is on. Bottom one is on. So, get this hood down. There. Oh. The downside of JL latches. Alright. What I just did Because I got this little beauty under the hood, not on top of the hood. See? Both on. You can see it's ever so slightly smaller back here than up here. But my plan is to do just a little bit of trimming. It's actually not so bad. No one will probably notice but me. But pop that over. Pop that over. Yeah, I know. Matching jeans. But her sport, my Ruby. My current thought is right. Come on, light, work with me. Light. Boop. This bit, the little rubber bit that makes contact with the lower latch, I'd bet money if I could just trim this just a hair, I could probably close that gap. But for right now, I'm gonna leave it, because that proves you don't have to drill your hood and your fender full of holes to do this.